To make homemade pepperoni pizza, combine 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters of warm water with 1 envelope of instant yeast in a bowl. Let the mixture sit for at least 5 minutes. Add 1 1/4 cup, 296 milliliters of room temperature water, and 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of olive oil, and stir the ingredients well. Combine 4 cups, 508 grams of flour, and 1 1/2 teaspoons, 8.5 grams of salt in a food processor. Then gradually add all but 2 to 3 tablespoons, 30 to 45 milliliters of the liquid mixture into the food processor. Pulse the ingredients until the dough forms into a ball. If a ball doesn't form, gradually add in reserved liquid until it does. Keep processing the dough until it's smooth and stretchy. Remove the dough and knead it into a smooth ball on a floured surface. Then set it in a covered, oiled bowl and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours, or until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, heat 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of olive oil, and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a pan over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in a 28-ounce, 794-gram can of tomatoes, and let the sauce simmer for about 15 minutes. Then set it aside. Divide the dough into 2 balls. Cover them with a damp cloth and let them sit for 10 to 30 minutes. Flatten each ball of dough into a round on top of an inverted pizza pan. Then brush the surface of the dough with olive oil. Spread the sauce over the dough almost to the edges. Sprinkle grated Parmesan and mozzarella cheese on top. Then add an even layer of pepperoni. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, and put a pizza stone inside. Once the stone is hot, slide the pizza onto the stone and bake it for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese and crust are golden brown. Let the pizza cool for 10 minutes before cutting it into slices.